Here are instructions on how to send an email from your Canvas inbox. First, from your dashboard, go to the left side navigation panel and click on Inbox. Next, go to the top of your screen to the pencil icon to compose a new message. Next, select your course. Click on the Select Course and search under Favorite Courses and look for your class. Next, under the To heading, go to the address book here and click to find the teacher here. Find a teacher's name, and next, write in your subject. After this, you type in your message in the entry box here. If you would like to attach a file, click on this paper clip and add an attachment. If you would like to send a recording with a video or audio recording, click on this play button here. When you are finished, click on the Send button to send your message. If you would like to check your email coming into the Canvas inbox, you can always look on the side here again and you will see how many emails you have. And click on the email to read it. So that is how to send an email and receive an email from your Canvas inbox.